Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately.
Hi guys and welcome to my channel. My name is Sonia and you're watching Domestic Diva Home. Today I would like to take you through a process of decorating this flocked tree. This is a holiday living 7.5 foot pre-lit frosted Norway spruce that I have picked up at Lowe's last year, and I will have a link down below if they still have it in my description box so you can check it out. I got a pretty good deal. They had a big sale, so you always want to wait for that to get it. If not, you can always price match it. So the theme for this tree is red, white, buffalo check, black and white, as well as yeah, so that's pretty much, and maybe some silver. So the first thing I'm going to do, I have already set it up as you can see, and I spread it out, but now I'm going to add some ribbon. The ribbon that I'm using is the Celebrated from Michaels, and I have it in black and white buffalo, plaid, and the red and white. It is a wired ribbon, so I'm going to be cutting it into strips. I'm just going to twist it.
All the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you, baby. This year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, 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 la da da da. Making our Christmas memories. Yes, these are the good times with you. Don't even care what we do if I spend it with you.
Now I have some of these bigger ornaments that I'm thinking about using. I have this one, which I'm going to make it like a focal point.
Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire, chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories.
And I've got these big stars.
I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories.
Then I also have these ones that I had made. I will link the video down below. Now I'm going to go in with these large balls.
Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about.
I have a couple different designs.
Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents, but it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day. This year I'll think
Now I'm going to go in with these white ones. They are medium size.
we'll put our differences aside and just enjoy this moment of peace and love and happiness. We come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more.
Then I have several of these, just different stars, trees, and reindeer.
I tend to forget what glory this holiday
Now I have these snowflakes.
Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite.
Now I have these little birds.
Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday.
I also have these icicles.
To say that Christmas is a magic day.
More of these little silver balls just to fill it in.
Who is on his merry way? It's Santa. Who wants nothing more than bring you joy? Who has got a flying sleigh but Santa? Who keeps track of every girl and boy? The whole
And when you're putting balls, you don't want to just put them at the ends. You can push them back, you can bring them forward. Kind of creates that a little bit more of a dimension. Now, because I don't have a lot of red, I'm going to add some of these berry picks. And I'm just going to add it right in there.
chimney late at night. Who gives every heart a lift to Santa? Who is pulled by reindeer on his flight? From house to house he'll go, putting on.
And now I'm going to add the top.
Ask me how he's done in time. I just know he sees.
I think that one's a little top heavy. So I'm gonna go with the one that I had last year. I think I'm gonna need to figure this out a little bit more.
The whole world knows it well.
And for the bottom, I just have a white tree skirt.
Barreling through the snow. From house to house he'll go, putting on his show. Don't ask me how he's done.
So here it is. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think. I love the way it turned out. It kind of gives me that little bit of a snowy wonderland feeling.
It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night.
If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. And if this is your first time stopping by, I would love it if you consider subscribing, pressing the notification bell so you don't miss out any of my future uploads. Make sure you check out my Christmas Decorate With Me playlist, which is linked down below. So until next time, hope you guys have a wonderful day, and thank you so much for watching.
But as long as you're around, everything will be okay. 'Cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday with you. Tomorrow it